Hello there, and welcome to this video series on how you can improve your sound quality for online recordings. My name is Kyung, and I've spent the last 25 years as a sound system designer and acoustician. I currently work for D&B Audio Technique in the Asia Pacific region. D&B is a manufacturer of high-quality loudspeakers for live sound reinforcement. In this series, I will share tips on how you can get better sound recordings for your webinar, live stream, or podcast. Now, some of you may have been exposed to commercial acoustic solutions for project studios using proprietary acoustic treatments such as panels and foams. These treatments generally will work well in your studios, but this is not the intent of this video. The intent of this video is to show you how to use items that you can find in and around your house to improve room acoustics during this isolation period. The biggest steps you can take in improving room acoustics is to move into a smaller room, preferably one with a door for privacy and improved acoustic isolation. Now, this can be a spare bedroom, a storeroom, a study, home office, or just a corner or a nook where you can have a bit of privacy without, the dogs or the cats running around or someone else interrupting. Now, I've seen videos that are done in kitchens or living rooms, and these spaces generally have larger volumes and hard surfaces such as tiles and reflective walls and ceilings. Now, I've seen quite a bit of online videos that where the presenter's voice has been muffled, often boomy, and you hear more of the room sound rather than the presenter's voice. Now, in my case, I've set my home office up in a spare bedroom. So there's a single bed next to me, carpet on the floor. I've actually put a spare foam mattress against the wall over here, and you can't see all of these items, but there is actually a bookshelf on this side and a bookshelf on the rear with some picture frames and some other items that I've put up for this video. I hope you're starting to get an idea of where I may be going with this. What I'm doing is adding sound absorbent material into the room to reduce reflective sound energy in this room. The main goal here is to reduce the amount of room sound energy and increase the energy of direct sound of my voice. Do a surface check of your proposed studio. Like, look at the walls, look at the ceilings. Are these surfaces hard? Are they soft? Hard finishes include plaster on walls and ceilings, tiles, concrete, timber, glass, metal. What about the furniture, right? Are there cushions on sofa? Are they all plastic chairs? Is the table glass? Is there tablecloth on the table? In general, the harder the materials, the more it will reflect sound. This will mean that the room will likely be very much more, in generic term or in layman's term, echoey, right? Just due to the sound bouncing around the room. Now, this will often result in lower sound quality for vocal or voice recordings. Now, common items that can be found in the house that you can use to deaden the room include mattresses, blankets, curtains, towels, carpets, cushions, bean bags. In fact, anything that is soft and absorbent. You can also open up your closet and expose all your hanging clothes. These items will act as a sound absorbent material. So everything around me, except for what you see in this video, is actually pretty messy. I've just, there are books everywhere here. There are bags scattered on the mattress. But what is important is for items that are not in the field of view to be absorbent, and you can decorate how you may in terms of what you want people to see in your video. So just to recap, make sure you have as much sound absorbent material as possible in the room. All right, this could be, like I said, soft surfaces like mattresses or bean bags or cushions. Ensure that you use these materials to cover as much of the wall as possible. If you have curtains, draw your curtains so that the glass doesn't reflect sound. So these are the quick tips that I have for you in this episode, right? So thanks for watching. Keep tuning in for the next one on how you can achieve better vocals for your recordings. See you later.